Good morning, everyone. Myself T. Rajesh. Today you are discuss about the subject is aptitude. This aptitude means natural ability or skill, like as coming from one's knowledge. Now, looking forward to definition of aptitude. Acquired knowledge for something, like as talent. Now, importance of aptitude. Aptitude is very important of aspects of person's life. By aptitude, we usually refer to quantitative aptitude. The quantitative aptitude means numerical ability and accuracy in mathematical calculations. This quantitative aptitude is divided into two parts. Thus, one is simple arithmetic and second one is reasoning. A simple arithmetic, the following topics are numbers, averages, ages, simple interest, compound interest, time and work, time and distance, trains, mixers, and areas. Now, reasoning, the following topics are first one is number series, and second one is coding and decoding, and third one is directions, and fourth one is Venn diagrams, and fifth one is blood relations, and sixth one is logic statements. Now we are discuss about the topic is calendars. The calendar topic is completely depends on odd day. What is the definition of odd day? More than 7 days of every day is called odd day. Like example, how many odd days of 10 days? Simply 10 is divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. The remainder is 3 odd days. Odd days means simply 1 year is 365 days. 52 weeks plus 1 day extra day. The one extra day is called odd day. Odd day is the most important definition is completely depends on calendars. This calendar topic is very most important in examination purpose like competitive exams and placements. This calendar, the examination purpose, 4 or 5 important models here. The first one is today is Monday. Then after 10 days it will be. That's the first question. This question is depends on odd days. First of all, we manually calculated this problem. Today is Monday. After 10 days, you calculate fingers. Monday after Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. The answer will be Thursday. Suppose this question, today is Monday, after 20 days it will be, it's a time taken process. To simply solve this problem is depends on odd days. How many days per week? Yes, 7 days per week. You take 7. How many days? 10 days. 10 is simply divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. The remainder is 3. Already I said odd day means week after extra every day is called odd day. Suppose 10 days, 10 is divided by 7. 3 extra days. That extra days is called odd days. You take extra 3 odd days. The question is Monday. Monday after 3 days is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The answer is Thursday. You can simply solve that model. Next, another question. Today is Monday, 20 days it will be. The simply 20 is divided by 7. How many 7s? 2 7s are 14. The remaining 6 extra days. The 6 extra days you take the counting from after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The answer will be Sunday. The second model. What day of the week? 20th January 2019. The answer is Sunday. How? The answer solving in 2 methods. The first one is descriptive method. The second one is shortcut method. Descriptive method is a very time taken process. Let us discuss about shortcut method. This is a coding system. You take 3 different type of codes: the century code, month code and week code. Century code starting from 1600 to 1699, 1700 to 1799, 1800 to 1899, 1900 to 1999, 2000 to 299, 2100 to 2199, 2200 to 2299, 2300 to 2399, 2400 to 2499, 2500 to 2599. They simply keep in mind 6420, 6420, 64. Keep it in mind. Another month code. Month code January to December is 12 months. 0, 336, 146, 25035. This is the rhythmic method. Okay. You simply reminder month code. Next, week code. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Sunday, because 0 odd days we will be take Sunday. 1 odd day will be take Monday. Suppose 2 odd days, you take Tuesday, and so on. The formula: number of odd days is equal to days plus name of the year plus century code plus month code plus number of leap years is divided by 7. This is the formula. You take date 20th January 2019. Days means the number of days 20. Name of the year last 2 digits 2019, last 2 digits is a 19. Century code 2000 to 2099 is 6. Month code January month code is 0. And number of leap years. Leap year means every 4 years it becomes leap year. So 19 is divided by 4. 19 is divided by 4 times. 4 4s are 16. 4 leap years. You take 4 leap years. The totally is divided by 7. 20 plus 19. 39 plus 6. 45 plus 4. 49. 49 is divided by 7. 0 remainder. 0 remainder means 0 odd days. 0 odd days it will be take Sunday. The answer is Sunday. You simply solve the problem. Now discuss about third model. January 1st, 1995 was a Sunday. What day of the week lies on January 1st, 1996? Obviously, 1st January 1995 was Sunday. Next year, January 1st, 1996, simply Monday. Answer. How? You observe the year 1995. 1995 is a ordinary year. Ordinary year having 365 days. 365 days, 52 weeks plus 1 extra day. Then 1 extra day add to the next year. It will be answer Monday. Suppose another example. 8th February 1995 was Wednesday. What day of the week lies on 8th February 1994? This question. 8th February 1995 was Wednesday. What day of the week lies on 8th February 1994? The question is back year. Before question is after year. Back year means simply 1994 is a leap year or ordinary year. 1994 is a ordinary year. The ordinary year having 365 days, that means 52 weeks 1 day, you simply 1 day less. The answer is Tuesday. Suppose another example. 1st January 1996 was Monday. What day of the week lies on 1st January 1997? Suppose you observe the 1996. 1996 is a leap year. Leap year having 366 days. 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. 2 odd days is added to the next year. That means Monday after 2 days, Tuesday, Wednesday. The answer it will be Wednesday. This type of problems frequently asking in examination. Next, fourth model. On what dates of April 1994 did fall Sunday? This question you observe that the date is not mentioned. Let us you consider the date is 1st April 1994. Then you calculate the value of 1st April 1994. By shortcut method, 1st April 1994, Friday. But the question is, what dates of April 1994 did fall Sunday? The second is Saturday and the third is Sunday. In this April month, the first Sunday, 3rd. The second Sunday is 10th. Third Sunday is 17th. And fourth Sunday is 24th. The dates of April 1994, 3rd, 10th, 7th, 24th. The calendar for 1990 as follows. First of all, 1990, the same calendar after how many years did match? First, you take 1990 after 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995, 1996, and so on. You calculate, first of all, odd days. How? 1990 is a ordinary year, jumped into 1991. You take one odd day. 1991 to 1992, 91 is a ordinary year, is one odd day. 1992 to 1993, you take two odd days. That is 1992 is a leap year. 93 to 94 is one odd day. 94 to 95 is also one odd day. 95 to 96 also take one odd day. First of all, you count 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 odd days to complete a week. You take 1996 is same calendar for the 1990.